Hey, my name is Tay, and this is a quick review of Tomura Shigaraki Nendoroid from My Hero Academia manga and anime. Shigaraki is the fifth Nendoroid that came out from this fandom, and I'm rather happy, because for a long time there were only Deku and Bakugo, and now we have a lot of nice figures like Uraraka and Shigaraki. Also, I'm happy that the variety goes on with All Might and Tsuyu-chan, and the latest My Hero Academia Nendoroid that was announced, I think it was Kirishima. And returning to the Shigaraki Nendoroid, don't even think about playing a drinking game where you take a shot for each time I say the word hand, because there will be a lot. Now you are warned. All in all, Shigaraki's articulation is limited because of all the hands he has, but all the hands are detachable. The upper body is of super mobile kind, and with all hands detached, it has a really nice articulation with almost no limitations. The lower body is of a default kind, and the movements are really limited. Maybe I would like to have at least one bent leg, but all in all I would say that it's not a big problem with this character. As for the faceplate, Shigaraki comes with two, but I would call his facepalm hairpiece a third faceplate. And the actual faceplates are really nice sculpted. There is a standard chill one and a nice excited one. As for the accessories, he has a lot of hands. Wow. Out of the box, he doesn't have additional hands on his arms because they come separately. They are easy to attach and detach. Another accessory is a hand in a hand. To be more precise, it's a facepalm hand in his actual hand. This one I really like. It allows to show his face without explaining where his facepalm hand went. And the last accessories are just grabbing hands. These ones are important for his character because he needs all 5 fingers to touch something for his power to work on it. I would say that the only hand that I miss is at least one hand with a pinky out. Because if you read or watched My Hero Academia, you may have noticed him using only 4 fingers. I really like this detail. Another interesting thing with Shigaraki's hands are that out of the box he comes with one fist and one open arm, which is rare for any Nendo. Usually they come with both hands open or with both clenched fists, not one fist and one open hand. But I don't mind it, and it's just interesting. Right now you can see how I attach all the additional hands to Shigaraki, and you can notice that each hand comes with its own way of attaching. I think that Good Smile Company and Takara Tomy went extra mile with thinking all the ways that you can attach the hands, and I really appreciate it. Even though some of them I don't really like the ones on the upper arms, because detached they leave a gap there. You cannot push the peg further, and in the end you just need to think about ways to hide it or just use Photoshop if it's your photo. And another interesting thing about additional hands are that you can always tell which is right and which is left, because they are all marked with L and R for this matter. I find it simple and really useful because I got confused in the first 5 minutes when the Nendo was out of the box. All in all, this Nendo is a nice addition to your collection, especially if you like My Hero Academia Nendoroids. I'm really happy that the line now has not only Bishonen main heroes, but also some nice girls and a villain. Of course I would like more and I expect more, but for now it's just a nice Nendo that I'm ready to recommend to anyone. His faceplates are unique and interesting, the sculpt is simple, but all the hands add extra details to his character and it works really nice. And now it's time for the behind the scenes. I must say that it's late and I finished taking the photo of Shigaraki Nendoroid. You can expect him, this Dio, and someone of these heroes. I wonder who could it be. Right now, at this moment, I'm not sure if the photo came out nicely because I didn't check it for now. And if you are interested in this Dio and the bad signal that I made some time ago. I'm sorry I don't have any footage making it, but I could shoot a little review showing all the details and the way this bad signal works. It's pretty simple and I believe it could give some ideas for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful or at least interesting for you. It's been Tyson Figures, my name is Tay, and bye!